computer parts have come.
Assemble it almost in real time as you watch me build mine. And so this is really just to help those of you who are maybe new to PC building if it's your first time, or if you just need a refresher on how to assemble this stuff.
Alright, this is like the second or third time I've ever built a PC, but like I've never actually built a brand new one that I've paid for all the parts for. I've just built ones out of parts from old ones. So this is going to be, you know, a beast of a PC.
Six hours later.
Alright, so at this point my my camera broke, and so now I'm just like showing off my computer. But you know, I'll put a quick list of the stuff up on the screen from the receipt and stuff. But yeah, I think it looks pretty sick. I'm showing the difference. You see, this is my old setup, the one that made bulk noise, but this is a huge change, and this is like way better. Yeah, so thanks for watching, boys. This is my PC setup video. New content coming soon, I guess. Probably like video footage of like games and shit, obviously. But yeah, so thanks for watching, boys. Bye.